Yeah, I joke this. Them say 18 never heard either. We should get involved in this, but get on. Let's go!
Me and my friend them there. All of us on the care. The girls them up to them on a night here. Wow, fresh. 4 man a night here. We set to on a trend, do we thing on that. NJ there, girl, just run up the bill. We hot, I don't know for me, burn up a mill. We are living your friend, you go on our ends. Why me a drive, she a give me vibes in a Benz. What you say? Only them on our ends.
Girl in a mall, girl in a new, girl in a room, girl in a house, want me turn blue. Girl in a April, girl in a June, girl in a earth, want me go move.
Some of your friends them a do it round here. We running out of nothing in round here. Some of your friends them a do it round here. So we live, we just don't care.
Nah, idiot, man.
Clark, Morgan, Mackenzie, Paradise, Lexus Nugent in lane 8. Look out for that KC Calabar battle with Gordon and Clark. Tarjay Morgan of St. Jago. Clean start. Clark reacts really well. Kamani Gordon will have some work to do. So to the Tarjay Morgan. Here comes Kamani Gordon, but Clark holds on. Clark with a great technique there. 10:68 is a flash time for Ricardo Clark. Looking really good. 10:70 is the official time now.
Great start for him. And when Kimani Gordon came up to his shoulder, pressed some gas, held Gordon at bay.
Jago's tunnel in lane 8. Now, Rodneil Mitchell of York Castle. Rodneil Mitchell, Yorkist. Yep, 11.47. Dante Watson of Jamaica College, 11.20 to get to this semi-final. He will go in lane 3.
Second of the Club Era champs, fine sprinter.
There's another fine sprinter here, Bert. Like Tupac would say, all eyes on me. To Ben Stewart of Robert Morrison, 11.00 in qualifying.
Second of Western champs in Glasgow.
The other Gordon from Calabar, Shaquille, he will go in lane number 5.
Big enough a man to win the under 20 hurdles at the trials.
Greater Beaufort, Tyreek Robinson, 11.21. will go in lane number 6.
Central 200 champion, a late finisher.
Here's Charles Wright of St. Catherine, also from the central area, 11.17. And the boys from the central area round up lane number 8 with St. Jago's, but they tunnel 11.14. Section 2, semi-final 2, the boys class to 100 meter on track.
Big, powerful and scary, Shaquille Gordon, Calabar, the favorite here.
I reckon he's grown probably 3 inches taller since last season at least. And sensed a quiet confidence from him on a recent visit to training at Calabar. Campbell, Mitchell, Watson, Stewart, Gordon, Robinson, Wright and Tunnel. Double duties for Gordon, first order of business, get to the final. Away cleanly, good start for Tavain Stewart, also a good start for Shaquille Gordon. Look at the high-stepping Shaquille Gordon of Calabar now coming through, looking right and left. Shaquille Gordon turning on the styles, 10.57 the flash.
Todd, lane number 5, 10.58, the fastest Class 2 boy this season, did that at the Curved Trials, former Class 3 champion.
Yeah. I had a word in here for Mushet's Smythe, who was, I think, mightily impressive in qualifying and probably one we didn't see coming into the meet. But last year in Class 3, barely missed a medal and had double duties that night with the long jump as well. So he, quality competitor, wouldn't be surprised to see him get through to the next round, but they have to run the rounds. So Patrick Bowes of Clarendon College, 11.43, he will go in lane 1. Deborah Winter from Limby High, Stephen Gale somewhere watching. Kyle Bowden of Kingston College, they have won in the final. Johan Romaldo Smythe, Class 3 finalist last year in the long and the 100 meters, he's from Moshette. Our attention turns to former Class 3 champion Tremaine Todd, he's from St. Elizabeth Technical.
Smooth mover, lots of fans have come to see him tonight.
Jamar Bailey, he's from Camperdown, 11.15 in qualifying. Sidney Pagan, here watching at home. Romario Blake, carrying the flag for them, he's 11.52 in qualifying. And Herbert Morrison's Kimani Hemmings, 11.44, he will run in lane 8.
JC and KC seeking to get 2 boys in the final. Calabar have done that already.
Interesting to see, of course, what the Western champion Todd does.
Coach Marvin James hasn't doubled him because he thinks he doesn't quite have all the work to do doubles. Long-term injury last season, back at top speed in 2023.
Yeah, good to see him back. Part of a sweep for Stitz a couple of years ago in the 100s.
Dennis Wynn Todd.
Bowes, Winter, Budden, Smythe, Todd, Bailey, Blake, Hemmings.
Oh no. Bailey of Camperdown seemed to have left a little bit early.
Nervous moments.
Since 2009 when they named it in Berlin at Congress, but my tears may as well water my grass.
And that's a lot of tears. So, Bowes, Winter, Budden, Smythe, Todd, no Bailey, Blake and Hemmings. So, 7 to face the starter. So another break here.
Obvious to the naked eye who is the offender in those cases.
So we're down to 6. Bowes, Winter, Budden, Smythe, Todd and Hemmings. This time no issues. Good start for Tremaine Todd of Stets. Tremaine Todd of Stets really executing this 100 meters brilliantly. It's a Todd of Stets leaning back now. High stepping through the line. 10:48 flashes on the clock. Let's see what that comes back at.